So the last question states, which in the electromagnetic spectrum, which have the short wavelength and the greatest energy. So first thing we can check is the graph, which shows each wavelength, and the shorter the wavelength, the higher the energy. So first we start by the very big wavelength, which start with the radio waves and then microwaves and then infrared. Then we go to visible light, then ultraviolet radiation, then X-rays and gamma rays. So what we can indicate from the graph is that the ultraviolet radiation has the shortest wavelength. So having the shortest wavelength, what does that mean? It means that having the shortest wavelength means it will have more energy. It will have greater energy, and long wavelengths have less energy. So short wavelengths often have more greater energy, uh, and long wavelengths have less energy. As you can see, the ultraviolet radiation is not visible, and it's a very short wavelength, which indicates that it's the shortest wavelength and the greatest energy, which indicates that the answer is A. As B, as as you can see in B, infrared are not the shortest wavelength, which means does not have the greatest energy. Ultraviolet, it has the shortest wavelength, but also has the greatest energy, so it means that's wrong, and then the shortest wavelength is not infrared, and then the greatest energy is not ultraviolet. This is my last question. Hope you enjoyed the video and understood. Thank you. Bye.